Bismillah, Assalamualaikum. Good day. Welcome to our presentation discussing about the concept of transcendental law and the challenges it poses in Indonesia in the face of the digital era. We will elaborate on this topic, understanding of law that transcend all the bounds of the material world and identity gaps in comprehending this concept within Indonesia. As we know, transcendental law provides a broader perspective, yeah, emphasizing principles that go beyond the material world. Legal experts in Indonesia are currently exploring this concept as it offers a fresh perspective on restructuring the legal system to achieve justice, effectiveness, sustainability, and fairness. However, there is still a gap in understanding the direction of transcendental law in Indonesia, especially concerning its relation to justice, effectiveness, sustainability, and fairness. Gap analysis is essential to pinpoint the areas in legal reform that require the attention of transcendental law. Furthermore, the current era of digital technology presents new challenges in regulating various aspects like privacy, data security, and copyright, while upholding abstract values such as justice and sustainability. It is crucial to explore how transcendental law can assist in developing a comprehensive regulatory framework in the digital era. And despite increasing interest in transcendental law, research on its application in the digital era, particularly in Indonesia, remains limited. That Indonesian legal experts have not fully explored the potential of transcendental law in addressing legal issues in the digital era, which demands urgent attention. Therefore, this article or this study aims to bridge the research gap by examining the contribution of transcendental law in addressing legal gaps in Indonesia digital era. To achieve this goal, the study will employ a literature review as we see in the method, yeah, to analyze existing research on transcendental law and its relation to legal gaps and ultimate goals in Indonesia. The study will also conduct a gap analysis to identify areas requiring legal reform in Indonesia, particularly in the digital era. Recommendation for legal reform in Indonesia will be proposed based on the perspective of transcendental law with the aim of achieving justice, effectiveness, sustainability, and fairness in the digital era. And we continue to the result and discussion. Legal gaps in Indonesia, as we see in this slide, arising from the absence of specific laws for various issues, result in law enforcement and circumstances. These gaps notably these gaps, yeah, in legal theory, cybersecurity, and the rule of law pose risks linked to legal ambiguities and inadequate protection of individual rights. This issue extends globally, with legal gaps stemming from unclear, inconsistent laws and lax enforcement. Such gaps can be exploited by cyber criminals and lead to confusion in electronic transactions. Additionally, Indonesia grapples with disconnect between religious norms and its legal system, eroding trust in both the government and the legal framework, mainly due to incongruence with religious norms. Moreover, in summary of conclusion, multi-perspective legal reform realism. Addressing legal gaps in Indonesia, especially in the digital age, is crucial for clarity, fairness, and effective enforcement while preserving public and trust and safeguarding individual rights. And last is the conclusion. The table outlines the distinctive aspect of legal reform through the transcendental law perspective. It is underscores a focus on ethic, morality, and universal values like justice and sustainability, bringing them into legal consideration. And this approach extends beyond technicalities, addressing social and environmental consequences while accommodating external factors. It advocates a holistic approach to legal reform that promotes a societal balance and relevance in the digital era. I think that, and thank you for your attention.